In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for laser engraving. If you're creating custom wood, acrylic, or metal designs, one of the biggest mistakes is treating Canva like a normal social media design tool. For laser engraving, your file needs to be clean, sharp, and easy for your laser software to interpret. If you use blurry images, gradients, or complicated shading, the final result can come out messy, scorched, or unclear. The good news is that Canva can still be a very useful tool for preparing simple engraving artwork when you set it up the right way. Start by opening your web browser and going to canva.com. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This is where we'll begin building a file that matches your engraving project instead of using a standard preset. When the menu opens, scroll down and choose Custom Size. For laser engraving, this step matters because you want your design dimensions to match the actual size of your material. Change the unit from pixels to either inches or millimeters, depending on how you usually measure your blanks. Then enter the exact width and height of your piece, such as 5 by 5 inches, and click Create New Design. This gives you a canvas that is much more practical for production. Next, go to the left sidebar and click Elements. In the search bar, look for clean graphics using terms like silhouette vector, monoline graphic, black vector icon, or line art. The reason for this is simple. Laser engravers work best with strong contrast and clearly defined shapes. Try to avoid watercolor effects, soft shadows, and gradient-heavy artwork, because those details often do not translate well when engraved. Once you find a design you like, drag it onto your canvas. After that, click on the graphic so the top toolbar appears. Open the color settings and change the design color to pure black using the hex code #000. Pure black creates the strongest contrast and helps keep your engraving file clear. If you want to add text, click Text in the left panel, place a text box on the canvas, type your wording, and choose a bold, simple font. Then make sure the text color is also set to pure black. If you're using an uploaded image, logo, or illustration with a white background, click the image and select Edit Photo from the top toolbar. Then choose the Background Remover tool to isolate the main subject. This is important because it helps prevent unwanted outer shapes or background areas from being engraved. Before exporting, take a moment to position everything neatly on the canvas. Use Canva's alignment guides to center your design and make sure nothing feels off balance. Then go to Share, choose Download, and select PNG as the file type. If you have access to transparent background, turn that on. Increase the resolution to 2x or 3x for a cleaner final file, then click Download. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.